Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Previous classes we discussed basic formula for the differentiation, then we discussed problems, based problem, how can we attack directly. Suppose explicit function means y is equal to f of x means dy by dx, then product rule, then quotient rule, then u by v rule. Then we discussed what? Implicit functions. Now when in differentiation what? So when you will use logarithm actually, how to use logarithm, and d by dx of log x 1 by x, suppose if we have, they will ask differentiate y is equal to, or y also they won't do, then y suppose give the x power x means what? When what you will do, see, when the base also function of x, then power also function of x means what you can think, you will know x power n formula, a power x formula, am I given in x power x. So this time try to use log. What you will do? Taking log both sides. Taking log both sides. What I told here, logarithmic means what? In integration, differentiation throughout your life, you can use what? Base e only. If I am not mentioning base also, it's what? E only. So taking log both sides. So what I will get? Log y is equal to log x to the power of x. Already you studied log x power n means what? Power will come, friends, said the theorems already you know familiar. So log y is equal to x log x. Now do integration. Now this is what? X also function of x log, so the uv method. One fellow I can keep as this. Log x differentiation means what? 1 by x plus, now what you differentiated that you can leave freely, log x. What you not differentiated, that you can differentiate 1 x differentiation. So x into 1 by x means what? This also will get cancelled. So this is what? 1 by y dy by dx is equal to what? 1 plus log x. Then dy by dx is equal to what? Dy by dx is equal to, take y that side, y into 1 plus log x. But who is y? Where I started, y is equal to x to the power of x. This is the way of doing. Suppose if we have like this, find the differentiation, find dy by dx. What they will go? Sometimes they go x into sine power y is equal to sine x whole power y. So this is somewhat a headache. So x power n means I can do sine power x, some sine power n means, but x means what? Now this time what you will do? Same story, taking log both sides. Taking log both sides means what you will get? Log x whole to the power of sine y is equal to what you will get? Sine log sine x, that is whole to the power of y. Now if you apply logarithmic rule means what? Sine y will come front side or not? Then y will come front side. Then you can attack. So this is how we will do. Shall I rub off this side? Okay, I will do this side. Now, this is applying the logarithmic rule, what I will get? Sin y log x is equal to y into log sin x. Now what you will do? Then again uv method. Y is implicit function also there, uv method is there. So sin y become what? Cos y into y1 you can write, or dy by dx, into log x you can keep as it is, plus sin y you can keep as a constant. Log x differentiation is what? 1 by x is equal to, same story, one fellow I can differentiate, one fellow I can leave constantly. So y if you differentiate means what is become y1, then log sin x plus y into log sin x differentiation is what? 1 by sin x Sin x differentiation is what? Cos x. Function of function. 1 by sin x, d by dx of sin x. This become cos x. One stroke I am writing. So I don't want to confuse too much. So now what we will do? Bring all y1s one side. So what will let y1 into cos y into log x minus this fellow is what? y1 log sin x. So is equal to what we will get? Cos by sin is what? Cot. Then remaining terms are there, sin y by x. So this is what? Y cot x minus sin y by x. Correct or not? Any problem? Now what I will do? My aim is what? y1 I will take common. So if I take y1 common means what I will get? Cos y log x minus log sin x is equal to what? If you want, you can take x also, you can take LCM. xy cot x minus sin y by x. Now this term you can bring down. So this answer become what? Now that answer become what? y1. y1 is what? Nothing but dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to what you will write? xy cot x minus sin y by x into this fellow will go down. So this become what? Cos y log x minus log x in log y, and it is log sin x. In the also very beautiful problems are then entrance problems. How we will do? Sometimes they will ask. Phi is equal to x power x power x power x power up to it will go infinity. This is actually IIT question, entrance question. So how you will feel this if you take, you see, if I take from here also this is what? Up to infinite powers are there not? If I remove the x, so it's become what? From here also I will treat as a, this is again y. So how I will let y is equal to x power y. And it is starting problem, same problem I did. So take logarithm both side. Then what you will write? Log y is equal to y log x. Then 1 by y, y1 is equal to y1 log x minus y by x. If you bring y1 all terms this side means what? y1 into 1 by y minus log x plus, okay, sorry, plus. Then if you bring this side means what? y1 log x, then y by x. So y1 is equal to what? Y by x. If you go that side means what? Y will become numerator. So it's divided by 1 by y minus log x. If you simplify means you will get this answer. This is the way of doing. Okay, and this is when you will get bunch of sums, base and power both you can do, or sometimes you may have like questions like this. Y is equal to root of 1 plus x sin e power x divided by 1 plus x square, then 1 minus x square, or root cos x. This time also you can take logarithm. So log a by b is what? Log a minus b. Then log ab is what? Log a plus b. Then you can do. This is the way of doing the some basic problems when I given. This you can try for raw sums. If you don't get me, what? Thank you for watching my video. Bye.